Understanding listing agreements in real estate. A listing agreement is a pivotal document in real estate transactions, serving as a contractual relationship between a property owner and a real estate broker. This agreement grants the broker the authority to represent the seller and seek out potential buyers, typically for a commission paid upon successful sale. While commonly associated with real estate, listing agreements can also pertain to financial instruments in the stock market. However, in this article, we will focus primarily on real estate applications. What is a listing agreement? In its essence, a listing agreement is a contract that outlines the terms under which a property owner, the principal, authorizes a real estate broker, the agent, to find a buyer for their property. This agreement is fundamental to the seller-broker relationship and delineates the responsibilities and expectations of both parties. Key components of a listing agreement. A typical listing agreement will include the following components. Property description, a detailed account of the property being sold, which may encompass the physical address, type of property, and unique features. Personal property inclusion, an inventory of personal items that will remain with the property upon sale, e.g., appliances, and items the seller intends to take, e.g., furniture. Listing price, a mutually agreed upon price at which the property will be marketed. Broker's duties, a clear outline of what the broker will do to market and sell the property. Seller's duties, expectations and responsibilities of the seller during the listing period. Commission terms, the agreed-upon commission that the broker will receive upon the sale of the property. Mediation provisions, clauses that dictate how disputes will be resolved. Termination date, a date at which the listing agreement expires, unless renewed. Additional terms, any other condition specific to the agreement. Legal considerations. In most jurisdictions, listing agreements are legally binding contracts. However, there are provisions for termination under certain circumstances, such as the broker's inactivity in marketing the property or the occurrence of unforeseen events, e.g., destruction of the property, death of a party involved. Types of listing agreements. There are three primary forms of listing agreements that sellers can choose from, each offers different levels of exclusivity and commission obligations. 1. Open listing. An open listing is a non-exclusive agreement allowing the seller to engage multiple brokers. The seller is only required to pay a commission to the broker that successfully finds a buyer. This type of listing provides flexibility for the seller, as they can sell the property independently without incurring any commission obligations. 2. Exclusive agency listing. An exclusive agency listing designates one broker as the seller's exclusive agent while still allowing the seller the right to sell the property themselves. The seller must pay a commission to the broker if they are the one to introduce the buyer. This provides a single point of contact for buyers while still allowing the seller full control over the sales process. 3. Exclusive right to sell listing. The exclusive right to sell listing is the most common and robust form of listing agreement. Here, a single broker is appointed as the exclusive agent to sell the property. In this case, the broker earns a commission regardless of who sells the property, even if the seller finds their own buyer. This type of listing offers the broker greater incentive to invest effort into marketing the property since their commission is guaranteed. The role of multiple listing service, MLS. The multiple listing service, MLS, is a valuable tool for brokers operating under any of these listing types. It is a shared database where brokers exchange information about properties for sale. By participating in an MLS, brokers broaden their market reach, improving the visibility of listings and ultimately facilitating quicker sales. The MLS not only fosters cooperation between brokers but also enhances transparency in the property market. Conclusion. Listing agreements are essential in the real estate transaction process, establishing a working relationship between property owners and brokers. Understanding the various types of listing agreements and their implications can help sellers make informed decisions that align with their selling strategy. As the real estate landscape continues to evolve, the ways in which listing agreements are utilized and understood will also adapt, underscoring the importance of clarity and communication between all parties involved.